Hey guys, so today I'm making, I just got LOL hair goals. So I just thought of it and I'm making a new YouTube video. Pull down the rip. That was the first cover. So what we got is messed up stuff and a bunny. What do you think? I think it's Messy Bunny. Anyways, we got this cute Color Me Fabulous. She is very cute. I hope I get her. We got this glitter magnifying glass. Then we have these stickers. So this is what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like now. Hairspray. Open this. And we got our mystery surprise in here. Spritz. We got the Ultra Hold, and right now this is the checklist. That. So we got the Ultra hair mask in here, but we're not gonna open that yet until we open out all the accessories. Got some little hair curlers. Got this. And we got this. So then that's the cap. So right now, so these hair curlers actually have surprises in them. Got a little hairbrush. Then we have another one. We got a icky with slime on it. So now we have the first mystery, which is a necklace. Second mystery, we got some green shoes. This is the fourth mystery. We got her a little outfit that says bad. We got the big mystery. Let's see. We got this and the doll stand. Okay, we're gonna open up the body first. my friend Mackenzie has this one. She's very adorable. So let's put her on the next video.